Hi, welcome to Baking with Bunny. Today we're gonna make
chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip
Cookies.
cookies. Let's get started. And Daddy's my co-host.
Are you going to introduce the guest?
Daddy's my co-host, and this is Olaf. Witch.
Olaf,
and
do you
this
like
is Duke Caboom.
Olaf? Do you like baking?
Yes.
I'm the Canadian stuntman, Duke
Stop it.
Caboom.
All right, let's get started.
Well, we're going to start out with the peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
2/3 cup.
No, I don't want to do it. No,
No,
I'm the
two-thirds of a
bunny.
cup.
No, I'm the bunny. No, this is my.
Olaf, please share the peanut butter. Olaf,
Is
can
it
you?
this?
Olaf,
This
you
one?
need to get the
This
butter
one?
ready. Olaf,
Is it this
What
one?
butter?
this butter
I don't know what butter is.
right here. You're
I
gonna
don't know what
get
anything
Daddy, is it
is.
this one?
Olaf, you have
How
half
do you do this?
a cup of margarine. So Olaf,
Yeah, why?
you need to scoop this out with your spoon or your fork
Yeah, why?
and
How do you
scrape
do
it along
this?
here.
Yeah,
Excuse
why?
me.
Not helping me.
Excuse me.
Ah, knife! Knife!
Sorry.
Scoop it out
No, knife.
and scrape it.
I'm thinking.
My head, my
Bring it in the way.
head. Okay.
You know what? Duke Caboom just realized we should probably melt this.
Why?
That would be better.
No, sure. I have a measuring tape.
Olaf, watch your carrot, please. It almost poked me in the eye.
Sorry.
Scoop
Oh God, no!
and melt.
Melt?
Yeah.
Oh, like I melt?
Yeah, it looks like a biscuit.
Like I melt?
Think we can melt peanut butter too? Maybe we do that.
It doesn't say to do that.
I would.
Olaf, what's your favorite?
Stop.
Olaf,
What?
what's your favorite season?
I like
Why do you like summer?
Because the warm sun.
winter. Look how good, nice he spreaded it.
That's because I'm Duke Caboom.
I'll stop it.
What? You said I'm about to melt it.
Okay.
Ew.
No!
You eat it.
Eat my stick hands.
Excuse me.
It's still on my
Okay.
Boppity boo.
Nothing happened.
Let's clean this
Yeah,
up
I know
a little bit so you don't get
Oh,
all
so
your
yay, we can
witch
freeze.
costume.
Yay, we can freeze time. Yay!
No, Olaf, I asked you to get the brown sugar,
But
please.
you said.
Where's the not?
I don't think I said free at all.
I'll do it.
Well, you said let's clean
no, it's
this
his
whole
job.
thing up.
Good job.
Egg
Olaf,
glancing.
Olaf, I need you to focus.
No.
Olaf, that needs to go in there.
No. Do not dump the egg.
Olaf,
That was happy.
Olaf, can you stop messing with the star of the show, please?
What star of the show?
The bunny.
What
Stop
bunny?
it.
There's no money.
See, look at this. Isn't that creamy? Let's show our
So
guests.
Alright, so it should, when you stir it, it should look like this.
We melted it for 30 seconds.
But it should almost look like slime.
Peanut butter slime,
Peanut butter slime.
No, you hate
witch's
that.
favorites.
No, I love
I'm
slime.
gonna eat your head off. Ah.
Okay, just.
That's enough.
Hello, I'm Olaf.
This is a very weird
Oh no,
shape.
I'm about to melt.
This is a weird
melt.
shape. It's
Wait.
broken.
Wait. Ah!
Alright, bye-bye, Olaf.
No!
Okay,
I
just
melted.
stir.
What happened
Regular
to
sugar.
sugar?
Olaf, are you back?
No, I'm like this. You bumped it
Okay.
into me.
Olaf, tell me when you're back,
You
please.
bumped it into me.
It's turning dark.
Yeah.
It should turn dark like this. Once you stir it.
My neck
Olaf, can you dump
hurts.
this in here, please?
My neck hurts.
Your neck is made of snow, so just take it.
Snow?
Yeah, pack new snow.
Oh,
in
Is
it.
that snow? No, it's me.
That is focus right there.
I
That
want snow.
That's a great job.
It
There's,
should look like
and
caramel.
there's what you missed.
It should look like caramel.
There's some focus. Olaf is back.
I know how to crack an egg.
Okay.
No, I know too.
Okay, come on. Get it. Let's go. Giddy up here.
My neck hurts.
Olaf.
I want my snow
And
back.
we're doing this because we're gonna have a lemonade stand outside and through here. You went like this.
And flew there.
What are you? You're wiping it all.
Olaf is on cleanup duty after all this.
All right.
No!
Okay.
Clean it all up. Yeah.
No!
So, flowers, don't
My
care.
hands hurt.
It should look like a big snowman, like Olaf, like the messiest Olaf I've ever seen.
Yeah, which is
And
right
stir it
there.
in.
Which is right
The Olaf is very funny.
Stir it in. My pantyhose are not comfortable.
there. What happened?
Well, then take your pantyhose
Did
off.
they just move or something?
Yeah, they're moving. Like things are like under them.
You got pantyhose ready?
No. No.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right. Can you still bake with the pantyhose?
Who
Let's
let the dogs out? Whoa.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Who let the dogs
Can someone
out?
put a bowl for me? Can someone?
Sure.
My pantyhose.
We should use the Mix Master.
My pantyhose are not like.
I don't understand that. You're not even moving. 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. Get out of there, Olaf.
Yeah.
This is called the walk. This is called.
My hat.
Can you stop? She already has messed up pantyhose. Don't touch her hat, please.
I'm giving it to.
Oh!
Yay! Everybody, dig in, eat some.
Chocolate.
Melting.
I'm melting.
It looks like a bee's nest.
The bee's nest?
With chocolate
This
chips.
is a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie.
I'm
with bees nest.
melting.
Look at that. Delicious.
A true Canadian.
No, a true love's kiss.
Do we
Can
have
we
lots
all
of
this
paper?
way? We're doing more.
Take a.
We have a cookie scooper.
Oh, okay, this one, right? Everybody.
Nope. That's not. That's an ice cream scooper. You could make big cookies with that.
Yeah, big cookies.
No.
You always say.
I got the cookies.
No, that is not the cookie scooper.
Where is it? Is it this one? The gigantic ones? Oh, this is for pancakes.
Okay, right here. Here's your cookie scooper. That's
And then we just keep doing it,
mass
and then you
production.
put it in the oven. Yeah.
Together. There you go.
I don't know how to do
Just a
it.
sec, you can be the presser. Olaf.
Olaf is very crazy. These two are way too close together.
Ready?
So now
Oh, that looks so
we're
yummy.
just gonna head it to the oven.
12 minutes.
12 minutes? Yeah, and we'll see you in 12 minutes. So, bye-bye. I'll see you real soon. Welcome back from those 12 minutes. Now
Oh, we're beeping.
we're
It's our second batch.
Oh, okay.
now we're going to try the cookies. I almost said cupcakes, but they're cookies.
Oh, you're dipping in the milk?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, exactly. These taste so good. It tastes like peanut butter with chocolate chip pudding.
Pudding?
Yeah. Because the milk makes them like almost like milk. Pudding.
Duke Caboom signing off.
You can get it where he lives.
I live here.
No, you live in a different country, Canada.
You might have just visited here.
No. He's from Canada. Alright, bye. These are really good. Try them.